Hey there, planner friends. Welcome back to my channel. This is Amy and this is Beloved Plans. If you are new here, welcome. Today I'm going to be doing my spread in my Happy Planner Classic vertical layout for the week of January 11th. So once again, I'm following the plannable theme and it's actually muted tones for this week. So I decided to use this Minimalist sticker book, which I really haven't used since I got it, which I think I got it in the fall, I want to say, in the fall release. But I'm super excited because it just has all those beautiful like soft pastels, gold, all the things I love. So if you're new here, welcome. This is Beloved Plans, and this channel is for anyone who is looking to get more organized in their finances, productivity, business, and day-to-day life. So let's get started. So I did do a little bit of pre-planning again because this has been really helpful, especially working with this new layout in me figuring out what stickers I want to use and just pulling together the theme more. So I do have those just on these sticker planners, but this is not how I'm going to lay them down necessarily. So I'm going to probably add more than this too, but this at least gave me a good place to start. I did also use this tear off sheet from the notepad, and I love it so that I can write down kind of what I have for the week without having to look at my phone. And then I just put any like things I need to think about or to-dos for the week over here on the right side. So I have that handy as well. So I have to say, if you have time to lay out your stickers ahead of time, it does save so much time when putting together the spreads. I think it's something I'm going to try to start doing on a more regular basis, especially when it's around a theme or something where I'm pulling from various sticker books. It just makes just kind of my thought process so much easier. If you don't have these particular sticker guides from the Happy Planner, you can also use a sheet of wax paper. That actually works really, really well. So if you don't want to go out and buy these, which I'm not even sure if they're available anymore, you can easily use a sheet of wax paper. So over on the left-hand side, I'm going to use that long This Week dot grid sticker, which I really, really like. And I'm going to use a couple of like habit trackers and focus stickers over there on the week, so that I can keep track of some habits that I'm trying to work on. I love the little flags that come in this sticker book. They work great for my 3 to-do things on certain days. And the colors in this sticker book are just so soft and beautiful, and I just love them for the new year. So I'm going to use a couple of these little strips here to write down appointments and lay down some more flags for my to-do list on Tuesday. And these stars were really cute too to use for to-do lists. They're a little bit bigger, but I don't mind that actually, because they fill up that box perfectly with the 3 things. Okay, so now I've used all the stickers that were on my pre-planned sheet. So I'm just going to kind of go through here and pull out some more decorative ones. I tend to put the functional ones on the guide because I know those are the ones I have to get down, but then I come back through and kind of see how things are looking, see what I feel like is missing, and then I come in and fill that stuff in. So I have these cute little to-dos. I'm gonna put that on Tuesday. Just feel like it needs some more decorative elements here. And these little check circles are really nice for a checklist. So I'm going to add that down there. Lots of functionality, as you can see, for this week. These small boxes I thought would be cute for different appointments or just little things that I want to make note of for that day. Can layer them up really nicely. I love all the rose gold in this sticker book too. It just goes along with these muted colors so well. So I'm just gonna finish putting down a couple more stickers here, and then I think we are all set. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you'd like to see my spread from last week, I will go ahead and link that over here to the right. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button if you enjoyed this video. See you next time.